welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making French onion soup. If you like it, please like and subscribe, and we'll get into it. Right guys, so we're going to start by putting a bit of oil in a warm pan, add the onions, and we're going to cook them till they get caramelised. Take about 15-20 minutes. Alright, so you need 2 cloves of garlic. You're going to just crush them and peel them. And then we're going to just put a bit of salt on top of it. I'm going to paste it. Back with the onions, going to put the pasted garlic in, and we're going to stir every so often. Once the onions have softened, add a tad more oil, 50 grams of butter, and a tablespoon of sugar, and stir again. So it's been on for about 15 minutes. You can see it's becoming caramelised and brown. While stirring it, try and take off the caramelise on the bottom of the pan, so deglaze it with your spoon while stirring it. Then after that, you want 3 shots of brandy, and mix it and bring it to the boil and let the brandy disappear. Right, now add 500 ml of beef stock, some fresh thyme, and bring it up to the boil. Put a lid on it, and I'll come back to you when it's ready. Right guys, so when the soup's reducing, I'm just going to start doing the garnish. I've got a French baguette which I'm going to slice diagonally too, so I've got 2 here which I'm going to put onto a baking tray. I've got 4 altogether, did some earlier. Then I've got some grated Gruyere cheese from Switzerland. I'm just going to put it on top. Just like that, and then straight under the grill so the cheese melts. So I've just pulled it out of the grill, cheese is melted. I'm just going to leave it for a second, and I'm going to just plate up. So now everything's done, we're going to start plating. So I'm going to ladle some soup inside the bowl. Just like that. Then go get your cheese crouton or cheese on toast. I'm going to put 2 on each one. like that. And then I've also got some Parmesan. I'm just going to sprinkle some of that on top. Same with that one. And then there is your French onion soup. If you like this, please like and subscribe. And I'll put my recipe on my Facebook page, and I hope you enjoy. See you later.